Okay. Uh, Three-moment equation is usually used or best used for statically indeterminate beams. But we can also use this method in solving for deflections of determinate beams, especially if the load is common, like uniform distributed load or throughout the span. Ana na cases. Yeah. So for this video, I'm going to solve three problems para ma-demonstrate na ako how to use this method in solving for deflections of determinate beams. Okay. Now, this problem was already solved using other methods. Okay, you can check my other videos sa for determinate beams. Okay. Deflection of determinate beams. Ma-check ninyo. Na-solve na niya. And I'm going to solve this one using three-moment equation. So the problem is this. For the overhanging beam, compute the value of EIY under the 15 kilonewton load using three-moment equation. In other words, find the deflection at A. Okay. So to start, let us solve for the reactions RB and RC. So first, the sum up moment at C, you can solve for RB. This one. Negative RB times 5 plus 15 times 8 plus resultant 6 times 5 resultant, and then acting at the centroid 2.5 ang distance, and naki-RB na 39. And then to solve for RC, sum up force along the vertical. And RC equal to 6 kilonewtons upward. Okay. Now, para na ito basis, ang answer ani using other methods, and you can find the answer sa other video. Okay, mo na yung answer, negative 266.25. Negative means downward. No? Okay. Okay. So, this is our beam, and mo ni ang standard kan three-moment equation assuming na E is constant and I is also constant. Na in this case, EI is constant man. So, mo niya itong equation. General representation sa three-moment equation, point A, left na point, B, middle na point, and C is right, no, right na point. And then L1, length of left na span, L2, length of right na span. And then 6A1, A1 over L1, nani value, load ni siya sa span. Okay? Load sa span. And then on the right side, H1 is vertical distance of the left point with reference sa middle point. Kaya reference ani kay middle point man. So ang H1 is vertical distance between A and B. Nasa kaya reference ni B man. And then ang H3 is vertical distance between B and C. Mo na H3. Okay. So, okay. Let us draw the shear and moment diagram. So, particularly the moment diagram. Kaya ang value sa moment, gamito na ito dire. What's the value of MA, value of MB, and MC? Although we already know na ang MA is 0. Kaya kung mag-draw ka moment diagram, start mo kay 0, di ba? As well as MC 0, gyapon. But how about MB? What's the value of MB? So we have to draw the moment diagram. Do not use moment diagram by parts. You have to use the conventional way of drawing the moment diagram. Okay. So first, the shear diagram, downward, and then no load, horizontal, and then upward, 39, you have 24. negative 15 plus 39, 24. Uniform load, so straight line, 6 times 5, 30, negative 24 minus 30, you have negative 6. And then reaction upward, 0. And then sa moment diagram, kini, point of 0 here. Kuha na to ang x. Use my technique, 24 over 6. It's 4, di ba? And then, moment na yun, area ni 15 times 3. You have negative 45. And then area, 1/2 of 4 times 24, 48 na minus 45. So, positive 3 rin. Familiar na mo niya curvature, di ba? And then area ni 1 mo niya, no? Kay 5, oh, minus 4, so 1. 1/2 of 1 times 6 is 3. Negative, so 3 minus 3 is 0. So, ang values na to sa moment, MA 0, MB negative 45, and MC 0. So, MA 0, okay. Mo na ito elastic curve. Since na-solve na siya using the other method, mo na yung elastic curve. Okay. Although normal na to, kung mag-draw tayo elastic curve, ang atong assumption might be this one, no? And then downward na. Pero na-solve naman this is the elastic curve. So, okay. This will be our H1 or HA. Ana. Kay, mo man niya itong B. So, the vertical distance between B and A, mo na HA or H1. O, H1. While ang sa C, kay, same naman sila. Same naman ng elevation ng B ug C. Then, our HC or H3 is equal to 0. Ano sa? Oh, basta ang kining H1 is sa left na, ang H3 is ang right. So, bali ang atong anon is HA or H1. So, our MA is 0 and then our MC is 0 also. Kini, sa left na span, wala man tayo loader eh. Again, span niya. So, dili pwede ang 15. Span ra na siya. Span EB, wala man tayo load. Joint man eh. So, dili siya pwede. Okay. So, span na. So, 0 sad na. Kining 6AB over L, nanatay formula na niya. Ready na daan na value ni 6AB over L. Okay. Ang H3 dayo na to, 0 sad na. Or HC. So, values na to, L1 equals 3, left ng span. L2 equals 5. And then MB equals negative 45. And then let's substitute. Okay pa day. 6EB over L. Mao man yung formula. Di ba? Okay, you can check your notes or your formula sani. It's WL cube over 4. So just substitute 6 times 5 cube over 4. You have 187.5. And then you substitute. So, 0 plus 2 times MB, L1 plus L2, MC 0, 6AA over L 0, 6EB over L, this one, 6EI. Okay. Negative siya because this is our reference. And since point A is below the reference, so negative siya. One negative. While this one is 0, kaya ito H3 0. And to simplify this one, left side mo negative 532.5 and then negative 2EI HA. Ato lang i-replace ng H1 by HA. So to solve, nara, HA is equal to 266.25. Okay. Ang positive dire, it means na correct atong gi-assume na location sa point A. It is below point B or downward siya. O kay gi-assume na to ang negative siya. Kaya gi-assume na to na down below siya sa B. Ang A bale. So nag-positive siya, it means nga ang atong gi-assume na location sa point A is correct. So kung i-check na to, mo ni siya 266.25. Okay. So dali ni siya gamiton if ang loading na to is common like this one, natay ready na formula ba? Or concentrated load lang. Pero pag dili sa common nga load, sometimes di advisable magamit sa three-moment equation. Okay, now let us extend our analysis. Considering the same beam, but this time, mag-compute ang deflection midway between supports. Di ba? So, how are we going to apply the three-moment equation? So, bali, natay isa ka point there, D, midway between B and C. So, upat na taka points. So, saan na to? So, again, go back, reactions, and then, same lang, no? Okay. Now, later na ang answer, ha? Okay. Sige. Dirita, cut na diya, and assume na to na D. And ang distance niya 2.5, 2.5 meters na yun, and not feet. Yeah. Okay. Midway between B and C. Yeah. And then, let's find the moment at D. Okay. So instead of drawing the shear and moment diagram, let's just use method of section. So, mukata dire, cut, and solve for MD. So, MD is 6 times 2.5 and minus kini, uniform load 6 times 2.5 resultant, and then location niya at the centroid or center, that's 1.25. And natay MD na negative 3.75. Okay. So, pag-apply sa three-moment equation, unsa na 3 points ato gamiton? Okay. So, inani siya. Mo ni atong beam. Okay. So, since natay D, we will exclude A. So, ato ning i-modify atong beam. So, pag maka-encounter mo og beam nga naay overhang, you can cut the overhang, cut na to ang overhang, and i-apply ito ang moment caused by this 15 kilonewton force. So, i-modify na nato, mahimo siya na kana, mawala ning overhang, pero mag-apply tag moment na 45. Okay, ang moment aning 15 kay 15 times 3 man 45. Okay. Inana lang. So i-cut na to ang overhang and then i-replace na to by moment na 45. Okay. So although kaganina sa previous na problem, ang yung elastic curve is upward, di ba? Okay. So supposed to be pero inani mo na itong load. So let's assume na inani lang. Okay. Concave upward. Okay. Sige. Mo niya itong midway between B and C, point D. Mo niya itong kwaon YD. So, okay. HB and HC. Now, ang atong HB ug HC positive because ang reference nato is D man. Okay. So ang middle na point na to reference D. So What's the location of B relative to D? Above man. So positive ni. Ang C sa above pod sa D is positive pod siya. Positive atong H, ba? So, and this is our general equation with EI constant. Okay. So, i-replace natin. Ang MA becomes MB and MB becomes MD. MC as is. And then H1 na to, HB. And then ang atong H3 is HC. No, ano na siya? MB, left, D, middle, C, right, HB, left, HC, right. Okay. So, naman tayo moment eh. So, ang kini lang 0. Ato na siya i-replace. Ang HB, HD dala. Take note ha? Manotice ninyo, nga kini siya HB is also the same as this. And ang HC is also equal to HD. So we can replace HB by HD as well as HC. Ato sa napalihan o HD. Okay, same naman sila. No? Okay. L1 equals 2.5. Bali, ang atong L1 left na span, BD na siya. Tapos, ang L2, DC, right na span. And then, MB, negative 45. Okay. Di ba, negative 45. Mani, kung tanaw ni mo ang diagram dili, oh, negative 45, oh. Negative 45. And then, ang MD, negative 3.75. So, let's substitute. Ang 6AA over L, same lang. Omega L cube over 4, same sa AB. Kana. And so, we have this one. Negative 45 MB times L1 plus 2 times middle na point D. L1 plus L2, ang C na to 0. 6AA over L, 6AB over L. And sa right side, 6EI, HD over L1, HD over L2. And then compute, natay yan eh. And then you solve for EI, HD, negative 21.48. Okay. Ang negative means na sayop atong gi-assume. Bali, ang gi-assume na to is ang B og C is above point D. Wrong, eh? B and C lower siya sa D. So, correct ang atong elastic curve kanina. Kaya ang atong elastic curve sa previous problem ko inaanay. Meaning D is above the horizontal line. And therefore, B and C is lower than D. Muna negative dire. Kaya nga gi-assume na to, lower man ang D sa B and C. And then negative siya. So, wrong atong assumption. B and C is lower than D. So, nang D sa ibabaw. So, yung elastic curve na siya. Which is consistent with the other problem, previous problem. So, the answer is 21.484375. Okay. As checking, okay. I'm using MD Solid software. It's a free software. Nga pwede nimo ma-download sa Google. And maybe ang uban sa inyo familiar na. So, mao na siya. In using MD Solid software, kung EI is constant, na siya initial value of 1 pound inch square. Ang software, 1 pound inch square. Unless mag-input ka og value sa E and I sa iyang cross-section, pwede ka mag-change yung units. Pero kung dili, you can use the value 1, pero ang unit nimo pounds and inch. So, units of length nimo should be in inches. And then, ang load nimo must be in pounds. Okay, so katong kilonewtons kanina, 15 kilonewtons, 15 pounds ito gamit. And then from 3 meters, 3 inches ito gamit. And money ang yang elastic curve, di ba? Consistent with our first example. Okay. So, what's the value of the deflection midway between supports there, no? Okay. So, what you will do is i-double click ni mo, screenshot na lang man eh. Double click anywhere sa beam, i-double click na nimo, and na mo appear is this one, kini na window. Pag double click nimo. So, na value dire not 5.5, no. Kaya depende man, like kung dili ka mag-click, it's less than 3, di ba? Oh, kaya dili mo accurate. So, i-change na nimo patong initial na value nga ni appear dire, i-change nimo, input ka og 5.5. And click nimo ni slope deflect, mo ni magawas. 21.4844. 21.4844. Check ta. Okay. So, correct ato solution. So, positive rate means nga above the horizontal line. And the last problem is this. Compute the midspan value of EI for the simple supported beam shown using 3-moment equation. Kung concentrated loads lang, you can still use 3-moment equation as compared to other methods kay mas taas man. Yeah. Kinimobol ani kay na naman tayo ready na formula for concentrated loads, whether acting at midspan or wala, na may formula that. Okay. Ang lisod lang sa 3-moment equation, kung gamiton sa nimo reflection is kung uniform load na putol, okay, you still have to derive the value of 6AA over L or 6AB over L. So, time-consuming to. So, it's not wise to use 3-moment equation. Pero kung concentrated loads or uniformly distributed na all throughout sa span, okay lang niya. Okay lang ang 3-moment equation. Again, kinina problem was already solved using previous methods sa determinate beams. So, ato na lang i-check kung correct ba ta. So, RARD. So, measure the moment sa A, makuha ang RD. Kana 680 over 9 and summation of force sa Y. Makuha ni mong RA. Okay. So, answer ani using other method, kini negative 1980.833. Downward dyan. Mao niyang elastic curve. Sige. So, mo ni atong beam. Okay. So, okay lang mag-draw og moment diagram. Basta kay ang kwaon nga moment po junction. Pero kung dili, like midspan, mag-ratio, ang proportion mo dihapon ka sa moment diagram. So, mas better pa na mag-cut ka og section. Mas dali pa. Okay. So, mag-cut a section. The length of the beam is 9 feet. 2 plus 4 plus 3, 9 feet. So, ang midspan niya, or ang half of that is 4.5. So, yan no? 4.5. So, let's call it point E. And kuha na ito moment. Ano? Find the moment at midspan. You can analyze the left side or the right side. left na lang. So, MA is equal to 940 over 9 times 4.5 minus 100 times 2.5. Okay, 2 man eh. So, 2.5 na lang. And M is equal to 220 pounds feet. No? Okay. So, bale, okay. When we apply the three-moment equation, ang atong 3 points will be A, E, and D. So, ang atong left nga span will be AE, right na span is ED. Ano? So, ang MA na to 0, ang MD 0. Mo niyang elastic curve and HA, HD. So, ang middle gid to reference. Now, ang assumption na to is ang A ug D mas higher siya sa E. So, positive atong HA and HD. So, i-replace na to ang mga symbols. MA as is, middle point ME, tapos right is MD, tapos HA na ni HD. Pero take note na sa diagram, ang HA o HD is also equal to HE. So, 0, 0, na value, kaya HE and then HE. Okay. So, L1 is 4.5. Kini, left na span, right na span is 4.5 also. Dayon ME 220. So L1, L2, ME, kaya na lang 6AA over L o 6AB over L. Now, concentrated load, di ba? So, pag 6AA, mo sa ni ang yang value, PA over L, L squared minus E squared. So, dire sa left na span, mo nitong A, 2, mo niya itong B, 2.5. Pero A raman na dire, so 2 rata. So, mo ni siya. P is 100, A is 2, 4.5, 4.5 squared minus 2 squared, 6,500 over 9. While sa 6EB, mo niya itong right na span. Mo sa niyang A. Mo niyang B. So, 4.5 man eh, tapos 3. Then, ang A na to, 1.5. And then, 3 din. Ano? Pero bira man po, 6EB over L, bira sa dang na. So, dili magamit ang 1.53 ra. Na ra. Ang P na to is ET, tapos B3 over L, L squared minus B squared. 600. Okay. And so, let's substitute these values sa equation na to. We have the 0, 2 times ME, L1 plus L2, MD 0, 6AA over L, 6EB over L, equals 6EI, HE over L1, HE over L2. Simplify. You have this left side, 1 over 45 plus 1 over 45. Okay? 4 over 9 times 6, it's 8 over 3. So, simplify. Natay EIHE 1980. So, kining positive means na ang atong assume direction, ang assume nato ang location sa A ug D is correct and it is higher than E. Mao na siya ang sun convention na to. So, i-assume na to nga A and D is higher than E. Mao na above siya, mao na positive. And positive po siya. So, correct na nga assumption na to. The numerical value is 1980.8333. To check, mo na siya. 1980.8333. 833. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you have learned something. And if you are comfortable using this method, maski determinate beam, you can do so. Basta my suggestion is, uh, it is still logical to use this one if and only if ang load is common. No? O concentrated loads, okay lang. For uniform distributed, it means na all throughout the span ay mong load. Pero kung total siya, dili advisable mo gamit og three moment equation kay you still have to derive the value of this. Ana siya. So just use other methods na lang. Pero pag common, okay ra niya. Okay ra niya. Okay. Thank you for watching.